In this video you will learn how to find penny deals or items at Home Depot online. Understand penny deals. Penny deals are heavily discounted items at Home Depot that are marked down, often due to clearance, discontinued stock or pricing errors. Check the clearance section. Browse Home Depot online clearances or special buy sections from the items with significantly reduced prices. Use the search bar or filter tools. Filter by clearance or special buy, or sort by price to spot potential penny deals. Monitor price drops. Regularly check items on wish lists or clearance pages. Prices can suddenly drop due to stock changes. Follow penny stock deal communities. Join online forums or communities, social media groups or deal websites that users share current penny stock deals at Home Depot. Verify before purchasing. Add items to your cart. Check the final price before completing your purchase to ensure everything is as advertised. Now you know how to find penny items or deals at Home Depot online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.